Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a home goods haul, if you will. As you guys know, we recently moved to a new place and we've just been hitting up some shops, picking up some things that we need, little odds and ends, things to get organized, also on the hunt for furniture. So I'm going to show you guys some things that we picked up. You guys seem to love this stuff on Instagram, as do I, so I decided to just throw everything in a haul. And I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like this type of video from me, definitely give it a thumbs up down below. All right, let's get into it. Also, please pardon my look, y'all. This is like my moving chic look. I've been looking like this all of January. No makeup, my skin is acting up, and yeah, it's frigid cold outside, so my skin is like all chapped and stuff. Anyways, let's get into the haul. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna show you guys this thing I already showed on Instagram, and my plan is to home edit the crap out of our new place. Our kitchen is significantly smaller than our old kitchen. We have less storage, so we're trying to make the most out of the little space that we do have, the little cabinet space that we have. And so I'm gonna organize our spice jar situation. I live for this kind of project. So I ordered this spice jar set, super handy. They're jars, it comes with 24 jars, I believe, which is, I hope is gonna be enough for us. The jars are really nice quality, come with a screw top, and they are square. It comes with this little collapsible, what's this called? Funnel. And then it comes with this chalk looking marker, and you get a ton of different labels. So they come pre-made labels, and there's some blank ones that you can write on with the marker. So super handy. I thought this was a really good deal, and I'm really excited to get into this project. I also ordered some organizers to put within the cabinets so that we make the most out of that cabinet. Yesterday we went to Jersey and we hit up IKEA, which is our favorite IKEA. We went to West Elm Restoration Hardware Outlet. Where else did we go? HomeSense, a couple other places somewhere in there. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got at IKEA. So we got rid of, I got rid of all of our like plastic Tupperware, and I want to make the change to glass. So I got two of these. I got a smaller one and then this bigger one for like bigger meals, and these bamboo tops, just a little bit more eco-friendly, and I feel like it's just healthier for us too. Like if we're warming up food in the microwave or whatever, I prefer glass than plastic, like emitting chemicals and stuff. So I love this. Feels very grown up to have like glass Tupperware. Then we kind of needed a new cutting board. Ours is a little bit janky, and this one is nice and big. I like the color of the wood, really thin, which I love. So we got that. This was pretty inexpensive, I think like $10. I mean, everything at IKEA is inexpensive. It's a dangerous place, you guys. Then we got one of these little doodads. This is like I forgot what this is called. Put over the pan while you're cooking so that it doesn't like, you know, go everywhere. Then we got some drawer organizers. Our drawers here are smaller. We have less drawers, and they're smaller than the ones that we had last. So we picked up some organizers that will hopefully work. I haven't tested them yet. We got this one for like our silverware and like other little doodads. And then we got these two to just organize like other kitchen utensils and stuff. And hopefully these work in our big drawer. Then we got this, which is actually pretty cool. It tells you when your plants need to be watered. I think this was like $5. So if it works, it's pretty good. But it's like, it looks like a thermometer, and you just put it into your plant, and I think it just tells you like, I'm ready for water. And then we got this little brush situation for the sink, just to like clean dishes. This was like $1, and you put soap in it. All right, you guys, next up was HomeSense. I absolutely love that store. It's like a step up from Home Goods. They're the same company, but I just feel like I get better deals, better things, like better quality stuff at HomeSense. It's a little bit more like fashion forward, if you will. Design forward, I don't know. We stopped in there looking for a couple of things for the bathroom. First thing is this toilet paper. This is so entertaining. Is this the content you guys were looking for? Toilet paper holder. We needed a place to put toilet paper because in the old bathroom we had like a windowsill where we had a basket. We would keep like, you know, toilet paper, little bathroom things. We don't have that luxury here. So we got one of these. I was looking on Amazon and it was like $20. This was $9.99 at HomeSense, and it's just like very simple, exactly what I was looking for. So necessary item. I have been wanting like ridged, is that what they're called? Ridged glasses. The brand that I would love to get is like really expensive. It's like $100 a glass or something. We're not doing that. So I found these. Can you even see that? These are like really nice, heavy. This is like close enough to what I was looking for. I just wanted lines. I wanted some texture. I wanted them to look expensive. Okay, so I got a set of 6 of these for $9.99. So this is the tall glasses. And then I also got the tumblers like this. And these were also $9.99. I think they're really cute, really timeless. And again, they look expensive, which is what we're going for. Bougie on a budget. But we just, ever since we moved in together, we like merged our stuff and like things have broken. So we have like very mismatched glasses, like one left from each set or something ridiculous. So I thought it was time to get like a matching set of glasses, but not spend a ton, so we can get rid of like those onesies and twosies. You know, I just want my cabinet to just look uniform. Is that too much to ask for? Then we got a couple of things. HomeSense and HomeGoods are great places to get just like kitchen odds and ends that cost a fortune on like Amazon or Target or whatever. So we got the suction sponge holder, $3.99. This is just nice to like put this in the sink so that your sponge isn't like an eyesore. And then we just got this brush, and our countertop is gray. So Raul was like, this is nice because it kind of blends in, and it's kind of cool because you can like place it like that on your counter. And this was $3.99. All right, and the last thing we got at HomeSense, again, this was just like a necessary thing. We do have a guest bath now, and I wanted to like make it nice and like luxurious in there. I got this trash can, and it's like marble, which is really pretty. Kind of goes with the theme in that bathroom because it has like marble floors and just white subway tile. So we wanted to keep it pretty, you know, consistent and just elevated as a vibe. This is glass, it's ceramic, and it was pricey for like a trash can, but it's so luxurious and like well made that I don't mind. And this was $25. So definitely a good find. That is it. I have one more thing that I want to show you guys. Actually, 2 more things. I'm going to show you guys my new toaster, which I am obsessed with. And then I'm going to take you guys to my pantry, which is not organized yet, but we put the organization system in there, and I'm obsessed with that too. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick. All right, you guys, so if you're familiar with Smeg, it's like this really beautiful aesthetic, like super retro but futuristic kitchen appliances company, right? They make like toasters, they make tea kettles, I think they even make like a blender or like a magic bullet looking thing. Anyway, also like a coffee maker, all sorts of stuff. I am obsessed with the brand. However, it also costs like $200 for a toaster, and I was like, I'm not doing that. I'm not spending $200 on a toaster at this point in my life, no matter how beautiful it is. However, I still wanted the toaster to be aesthetic because, like I said, we're very challenged with storage in this kitchen, and this was going to be on the counter, so it has to live on the counter, and I didn't want it to be an eyesore. I wanted, if I'm going to look at it every day, I wanted it to be like pretty, nice to look at, you know? Do you feel me on that? I posted about it on Instagram. You guys came through, sent me the link. Let me show you guys this toaster. So I've never been so excited about like an item, like a household item like this in my life. It is so pretty, you guys. It has the same like Smeg aesthetic with like the round edges, and like it's like a bubble, looks super retro and like chic. It has this like off-white creamy color, which I love. Our kitchen is white and gray, so I didn't want it to like be white, like stark white that it would blend in to the like backsplash. I wanted it to be like tonal, you know? I am obsessed with it. This was under $45, I want to say. It's also a really great toaster, so for what it's worth, it's not just the aesthetic, it's also just a really nice functioning toaster. And we had been using my really old janky toaster that we had to literally hold it down to toast our bread, so this is definitely a step up for us. All right, so the last thing I want to show you guys is our pantry. Where do I even begin with this? We obviously, like I've said multiple times now, we are challenged with storage, and we had in the old kitchen a whole cabinet dedicated as like a pantry to hold all of our like granolas and snacks and like dry goods, right? We don't have that luxury in this apartment, so we had to kind of think outside the box. I almost bought a piece of furniture from IKEA to be like almost like a bookshelf, but with a door, like a cabinet, if you will, to be a pantry next to the fridge because we have a little space there. But I don't want to be cluttered with furniture either. So I looked at one of our closets, which is literally right in just across the kitchen, and it's like where we keep all our cleaning supplies. It's a very spacious closet, but the way it's built. It's weird because there's only shelves at the top and not at the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Long story short, I was like, can we add shelves to the side of the closet and we'll just make a pantry there? And then Raul took it a step further and he was doing his closet with the Alpha system from the Container Store, which, by the way, you guys, he found all of the things to do his closet on Facebook Marketplace, and it was like a fourth of the price to do his closet. He had some materials left over and he started playing around with it, these basket things, which I'm about to show you. He came up with a solution for the pantry, which is even better than shelves in my opinion, and it's just like concealed in a closet, which is so nice. And he got his more bang for his buck, if you will, because it was like leftover stuff from his closet, so we only had to purchase one extra basket to complete the set. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about so that it makes sense. All right, so you guys can see this is our like cleaning supply closets, not organized at all. But so this is what I was talking about. This is all from the Container Store, and it's just these baskets. Again, this is not in any particular order, but this is like our pantry now. How freaking cool is that? Ingenious use of space, because there was like no shelving. It was just like this. And we're gonna put, is this tuned in? Yeah, it is. We're gonna put our like mops and Swiffer and stuff like that hung here. But then this just would have been a waste of space. So this was perfect use of this little space, which I'm very proud of. All right, guys. So one last thing I want to show you before I go. We picked up a new dresser today. We found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it was like so divine timing because we stepped into West Elm yesterday and we found two dressers that we fell in love with completely. And we were willing to like spend full price on them because we're like, this is a really nice piece of furniture. We're gonna have it forever. But you know, we were like, let's think on it. And if we truly like it and don't find anything better, then we'll just splurge a little bit. The other thing is like we've tried the Wayfair furniture, we've tried IKEA. I don't hate on it at all. The Malm dresser did me well for so many years and like moved apartments and everything, but we kind of wanted like something a little bit nicer. And we also have dark wood floors in our apartment, so we wanted something that wouldn't necessarily blend in or like darken our room. We want to keep our room nice and like bright and airy, very relaxing. So anyway, we stepped into West Elm yesterday, loved two dressers, one of which was the one I'm about to show you. And then we were like, okay, let's think on it. We came home and I found the dresser on Facebook Marketplace, divine timing, and you know, hit up the girl, like we set it up and we went and picked it up today in Brooklyn. Heaviest thing ever. Okay, so hard to get into our apartment, and it was less than half the price of what the retail price is, so totally worth it. But just maybe ask me tomorrow when my back doesn't hurt anymore. Amazing condition. I think she had it for like a year or something. Yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbing and just show you guys. All right, so here's the piece. It is the super heavy like lacquer dresser. I feel like this is a really popular IKEA piece. I've seen this piece around for a while. It has these like mid-century modern legs on it. It's just like white lacquer. Oh, what is that? Okay, that's like a hanger thing. Really nice quality, really freaking heavy, but totally worth it. All right, you guys, and that is it for this haul. I'm gonna start like organizing now that we have some furniture and getting my life together, decorating. I'm obviously gonna share the process with you guys. I feel like you guys really enjoy this kind of content. Yeah, so stay tuned for all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up.